Is your Ford Ranger T6 refusing to turn over, leaving you stranded in the driveway? Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on this platform are simply down to electrical gremlins. Let's walk through the diagnosis process step by step. Start with the basics by testing your battery voltage and ensuring your terminals are free of corrosion. If the battery is solid, focus on the starter relay, the crank sensor, or a potential immobilizer lockout. Don't overlook the fuel system, specifically the fuel pump fuse located in the battery junction box. You can handle basic electrical maintenance yourself, but internal engine or ECU issues require a professional diagnostic tool. Costs vary wildly, but most simple starting repairs fall well under the cost of a major component failure. If you're still stuck, plug in an OBD2 scanner to read manufacturer-specific codes that provide real insight. Keep a basic kit including a multimeter and a capable code reader in your truck for emergencies. Remember, if you hear grinding, stop immediately to avoid causing further damage to the flywheel or starter. Thanks for watching and good luck getting your Ranger back on the road today.